best experiences that I had was learning the detail work, learning how to create temporary crowns, learning how to carve stone, the models that are being sent to the lab to make retainers, night guards, and dentures. I'm a very meticulous person and I love working with my hands, and I believe that is what attracted me to the dental assistant school of Kyle. It's you're hands-on from the very beginning.
We gotta all work as a team, we gotta take impressions, x-rays, you name it, and we did it.
I had a really good experience going to class here. I was very nervous at first because I didn't know how comfortable I was going to be with learning all of this stuff to do on actual people, but I feel like after the course I have all the tools and skills that I will need to take patients in the real world and do well.
It gave me the foundation and the opportunities I needed to get a job and start my career in the dental assisting field.
I had a very good experience. From being a stay-at-home mom for 10 years, going to class here gave me the opportunity to get my foot in the door and get a job as a dental assistant. So this school helped me very, very much.